In this video, we're going to be doing a rap flow practice drill from a 90s hit song called Gangsta's Paradise by Coolio. And we're going to push and pull this cadence. Pushing means we're adding something to the cadence, which makes it feel more aggressive. And pulling means we're taking something away from the cadence, which makes it feel less aggressive. And if you're new here, my name is ColeMize, and I've been helping rappers perfect their rap skills on this channel for the past 10 years. Now, in order to use a rapper's cadence effectively, it's important that you begin rapping within the same part of the bar as they do. For today's example, Coolio begins rapping on the second half of beat 4 using 2 16th notes, which leads into beat 1 of the following bar. This is one part of the cadence that will not change during today's exercise, because where a cadence begins and ends is something I like to refer to as its groove. The point in which the cadence begins and ends is what creates the in and out motion of the cadence. This gives the starting and ending point of the overall cadence some predictability for the listener to lock onto, like how a nut locks onto the groove of a bolt. So we'll change where the cadence ends, but we'll keep the beginning the same so we don't totally lose the groove. Also, since we're leading into the first beat with this groove from the second half of beat 4, at times we'll need to rap slightly on top of each other as we pass the cadence back and forth. For example, for Coolio's cadence, as I'm finishing up the cadence on the word left, you will need to begin rapping the cadence with the words as I. And we'll do every cadence twice each, starting with me. And the instrumental that we'll be using is a beat that I produced called Bounty Hunter, which I'll post a link to in the video's description below. So without further ado, let's get it! As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'm peeping my steps cause I know the reaper's creeping in next. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'm peeping my steps cause I know the reaper's creeping in next. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I watch my steps cause I know what's popping next. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I watch my steps cause I know what's popping next. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'm looking out for the reaper himself. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'm looking out for the reaper himself. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, it's apparent that I'm staring at the enemy's methods. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, it's apparent that I'm staring at the enemy's methods. As I walk through the valley, I just fell in love with the scenery, and man, I couldn't get enough. As I walk through the valley, I just fell in love with the scenery, and man, I couldn't get enough. As I walk through the valley, I just fell in love, and man, I couldn't get enough. As I walk through the valley, I just fell in love, and man, I couldn't get enough. As I walk through the store and ask for help, I'm passed by 12 and told just to help myself. As I walk through the store and ask for help, I'm passed by 12 and told just to help myself. Alright, now let me know how'd it go in the comment section below. And before you leave, make sure that you get my free Rap Essentials bundle, which includes the following: the #1 fundamental to rapping ebook, bar sheets to help you improve the structuring of your lyrics, 6 practice instrumentals, which includes dedicated video tutorials, the CMS catalog, which has my favorite studio gear recommendations, Plus, I'll be sharing via email the most essential video tutorials I've made that I recommend every aspiring rapper to watch. These lessons are going to teach you all the core techniques that you need to be a better rapper now. And all of this is 100% free when you join my mailing list via the link in the video description below. Again, my name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules. There's only techniques. Peace.
Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there?